Hey, so Eric here up in Alaska. We have kind of an exciting event today. There is a flood starting. It's a Glacial Outburst Flood, or a Jökulhlaup. Hope you're not Icelandic, because I'm sure I just butchered that name. Anyway, there is a basin up alongside the Mendenhall Glacier called Suicide Basin that over the last few years has started filling with water in the spring, and it releases about this time each year in July. And so we are going to have a flood today, a little afternoon, right about the high tide, which isn't good, and they're saying that it might break all records. It'll be a new high level for the Mendenhall Lake. It'll be a new high level for the Mendenhall River. So hopefully not too many homes are damaged, but there are going to be some major changes happening here today with erosion, with the river finding a new course. It should be really interesting.